Hey, did you know exact distance of every planet? Let's talk about it. Before we go further, smash the like button and subscribe. Earth is the place where everything begins for us, the reference point from which we measure the vast emptiness of space. Yet, Earth itself is never still because it spins, orbits the sun, and moves through the galaxy, which means distances in space are never fixed, only averaged. And when we start measuring from Earth, the numbers quickly become almost impossible to imagine. Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun, is not always close to us at all, sometimes sitting over 70 million kilometers away, and other times more than 200 million kilometers distant, a gap so large that even light needs minutes to cross it. While Venus, often called Earth's twin, can come as close as 38 million kilometers, yet remains completely hostile, proving that closeness does not mean similarity or safety. Mars, the planet humans dream of reaching, shifts between being relatively nearby at 56 million kilometers and incredibly far at 400 million kilometers, which is why missions must wait years for the right moment. And beyond Mars lies the asteroid belt, a silent boundary separating the small rocky worlds from the massive giants that follow. Jupiter changes everything, sitting hundreds of millions of kilometers away, so distant that messages take nearly an hour to arrive, while Saturn floats even farther, over 1 billion kilometers from Earth, its beauty hiding the reality that spacecraft need years just to reach it. Uranus exists in near darkness almost 3 billion kilometers away, where the sun looks like a bright star, and Neptune marks the edge of our planetary neighborhood at more than 4 billion kilometers from Earth, so far that light itself takes hours to arrive, and humanity has only visited it once in history. These distances are not just numbers, but reminders of how precisely Earth is placed, not too close, not too far, balanced in a way that allows energy, stability, and life to exist. And when you look at the night sky, you are not just seeing planets, but unimaginable separations across space, making it even more extraordinary that in all this vastness, Earth became home. If you liked the video, please visit our channel where you can watch all interesting facts about space and Earth.